Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching. Today's video will be all about reviewing some luxury items I got. This channel, I know I haven't said it before, this channel is dedicated to reviewing all things luxury, be it in terms of an item or in terms of an experience, and also giving self-care tips. Because I believe that everybody, every one of us deserves luxury in different forms. And in the society, when we hear the word luxury, the first things that often come to many people's mind is maybe luxury cars, luxury clothing, shoes, luxury items, houses. Is usually geared around items. However, I have also come to realize that sometimes the biggest luxury is actually being able to sit down and drink a cup of tea slowly without rushing. Being able to drop our kids to school and pick them up from school. Being able to be present with our family, partners, husbands, wives, children. Those can be big luxuries that most people also struggle to attain in their lives, apart from item luxury like maybe a designer handbag or a luxury car. This channel is all about trying my best to remind us that all forms of luxury is attainable, be it in terms of item, be it in whatever form, that is attainable to all. It is not something that is reserved for some people. Now that I've gotten that speech out of the way, let's get into it. I want to give a first impression review. Is this one here. It is from Chanel. I haven't been to a Chanel store in over, I'll probably say 6 years or thereabout. I don't have many items from Chanel, and that's fine. However, I have actually missed going to a store. This year I want to do less online shopping and more in-store shopping because I miss the experience of connecting with human beings, chatting, just chatting with people. I miss that human connection experience. So what did I get from Chanel? This is from at the airport. I traveled to Paris recently, and on my way just in the airport coming back, I went in to see what did they have there, and well, this is the result. And the good thing about this is that I got 20% off it because it was at the airport. So win-win situation. Is a black, this beautiful black earrings. It has the gold details. I love the gold details around the earring. It's really beautiful. It just stands out. Immediately I saw it in the case when they brought out the tray. Immediately I saw it. That was the first thing that caught my eye, and I love the fact that it's not too bold, and at the same time it's just the perfect size between glamour and subtlety, if that makes sense, if you can call this subtle. But anyway, so that's it for this earring. I love it. I'll put the details of it before. Is with the 24B collection. I'll write the details in the description box for anybody that might be interested in it. I haven't worn it yet, so I can't give a first impression review. However, from my experience with Chanel earrings, I have one so far, and I've used that consistently for the past 5 years or so. So I know that their earrings, some of their earrings from my experience, are worth the price.